Hi everyone, welcome back to Raintube with Rain here. Konnichiwa, Rain this. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video of Oneus 808. So to tell you beforehand, this video was recorded back in 2019. It was the first few videos I tried to record, but the result isn't as pristine as what I thought. I'm sorry for the lack of quality, but let's just enjoy it. So this is the album. I decided to keep the limited edition one and type B. This is a track list and DVD content for the limited edition one, and this one's type B. That's the discography, the song list for type B. Time to open the limited edition one. We have two CDs. The first one is the normal CD for the songs. The second one is the music video. So I'm pointing to the CD now, and this white one is the DVD. Now I'm going to open the book attached to it. I don't know if I should call it a book or is it a booklet. I'll let you enjoy the photos inside. Oh, I got Connie's photo card. Close-up look. So that's for the limited edition one. Next, let's continue to open type B. I got another Oneus photo card. Yay! Although I traded for it. Now it's for the booklet. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and follow my social media accounts. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye!